This lecture is on food resources. Myself, Dr. R.P. Rajwade, Associate Professor, Chemistry, Faculty of Science, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. A house is not a home unless it contains food and fire for the mind as well as the body, according to Benjamin Franklin. What is food? Food is an essential requirement for survival of life. The main components are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Type of food supply. First one, crop plants, which consist about 76% of world food. Example, rice, wheat and maize. Second, rangelands, which produce 17% of world food from trees and grazing animals. Example, fruits, milk and meat. Third one, ocean, contributes 7% of world's food. Example is fisheries. World food problems. The world population increases and cultivable land area decreases. Second is environmental degradation like soil erosion, water logging, water pollution affects the agriculture lands. Third one, that is urbanization is another problem for the reduction of agriculture land. India scenario. India is the third largest producer of crops, but 300 million Indians are still undernourished. Second one, land wise, India is only half as much of USA, but population wise 3 times higher. Third one, food problem is directly related to population growth. Type of nutrition. There are 3 types of nutrition. That is, first one, nutritious nutrition. To maintain good health and disease resistance, we need large amount of carbohydrates, protein, fats and a smaller amount of micronutrients such as vitamins, minerals such as iron, calcium, iodine. According to Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations estimated that on an average the minimum calorie intake on a global is 2500 calorie per day. Under nutrition, people who cannot buy enough food to meet their basic needs suffer from undernutrition. They receive less than 90% of their minimum dietary calories. Effect of undernutrition suffers from mental retardation and infectious disease. Malnutrition. Beside minimum calorie intake, we also need proteins, minerals, vitamins, ions and iodine. Deficiency leads to malnutrition resulting in several diseases. Table 1 shows that effect of malnutrition in which deficiency of nutrients such as protein, iron, iodine and vitamins. The problem of food security. This can be memorized as LD rice, L indicates low productivity, D represents demand of water, R represent rising population, I indicates increasing cost of cultivation, and C climate change, and E ecological degradation. Food distribution around the world and their problems. During the last 50 years, world grain production has increased almost 3 times. But at the same time, the population growth increases at such rate in less developed countries. Second one, even every 40 million people die on undernourishment and malnutrition. This means every year our food problem is killing as many as were killed by the atom bomb dropped on Hiroshima during World War II. India scenario. Although India is the third largest producer of staple crops, an estimated 300 million Indians are still undernourished. India has only half as much land as USA, but it has nearly 3 times population to feed. Our population problems are directly related to the population. The World Food Summit held on 1996 has set the target to reduce number of undernourished to just half by 2015, which still means 410 million undernourished peoples on the earth. Environmental effects on food production. As we know that agriculture is an art, science and industry of managing the growth of plants, animals for human use. It includes cultivation of the soil, growing and harvesting crops, breeding and raising livestock, dairying and forestry. The problem in using fertilizer. Next one, that is problem in using pesticides, waterlogging. Environment effects on food productions, that is overgrazing. It is an process of eating the forest vegetation without giving a chance to regenerate, which creates land degradation, soil erosion, loss of useful species. Thank you for watching these lectures.